Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify themes for attractive dropshipping stores. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. From the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on themes to view your current theme and available options. To explore new themes, click on the Explore Free Themes or Visit Theme Store button. Browse the themes available in the Shopify theme store. Use filters to narrow down your selection based on category, style, or features. Once you find a theme that suits your store's vision, click on it to view more details. Review the theme's features, customer reviews, and demo store to see it in action. If you're satisfied, click on the Add Theme button. This will add the theme to your Shopify account. To customize your new theme, go back to the Themes section. Locate your newly added theme and click on the Customize button. Now, you'll enter the theme editor, which allows you to modify various elements. Start with the header section, where you can upload your logo. Choose a logo that represents your brand effectively. Next, customize your navigation menu to make it user-friendly. Add collections and important links, making it easy for customers to find products. Proceed to the home page settings to adjust your layout. Drag and drop sections to rearrange them according to your preference. Upload high-quality images to represent your product offerings. Incorporate promotional banners or slideshows to capture attention. Continue to the typography section to select fonts that align with your brand identity. Choose font styles that are easy to read and visually appealing. Then, go to the Colors section to adjust your theme's color palette. Pick colors that create a cohesive look across your store. Preview your store on different devices to ensure a seamless experience. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, preview your store to see how everything looks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.